In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create simple 2 years project Gantt chart in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have put the year 2022 and 2023, and I've put the 4 quarters here from quarter 1 to quarter 4. And then you can add the task towards the left side, and if you want, you can add some icons to it. And the first phase, which is the initiate phase, you can put from this will start in Q1 of 2022 and it will end in Q2 of 2023. Like that, you can just add depending on your requirement. And if you have not subscribed to my channel PowerPoint University, please subscribe it now and make sure to enable the bell notification icon. You can join my Telegram group with the help of this link. And if you like to contribute to my channel, you can do it through PayPal or Patreon. The link is provided in the video description section. So let's start the tutorial. Add a new slide, go to Insert, Shapes. From the rectangles, I'm going to choose the rectangle, rounded corner. Draw the rounded corner rectangle, and you can see the small orange point. Drag this inside, shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, you can give any light color combination. And the width, you can make it maybe 4.5. all right, and if you want, you can increase or decrease the height, not a problem. Let it be like this. And I'm going to add one more. Hold the Control Shift key and add it here, giving a gap in between. All right, so this one, the Gantt chart, which I'm going to make it for 2022, center align, make it white font, make it bold, increase the size, and put it here exactly in the center. And then hold the Control Shift key and drag it here, make this year as 2023. Then I'm going to insert table, go to insert. So depending on how many columns you need and how many rows you need, you can add it. So I'm going to take it 4 columns and 6 rows. You can see here 4 column and 6 rows. Okay, let me just put it here for the year 2022. I'm just going to match the width of this one and just increase the height. All right, and make sure that banded rows is untick and header row is also untick. Then select all the option, all the table, go to the shading. Either you can make it white or you can make it no fill also, it's up to you. And then the pen color, the pen the width, you can just select maybe 1 point. And the pen color, I'm going to give some light gray color. Okay, and you can just make it all borders, so it looks something like this. All right, so then let me just reduce it a little bit here, and here I'm going to add the quarters. Either you can add the quarters here itself, or if you want, you can add it at the top. So go to Insert, text box. Here I'm going to make it Q1, center align, maybe a gray, make it bold, and this is the Q1. Hold the Control Shift key, add it for the second one. This is for the third, and this is for the fourth. So this will be Q2, Q3, and Q4. All right, now I'm just going to select this table along with the quarters. Hold the Control Shift key and put it for the year 2023. All right, so you can see here, and in between I'm just going to add one line, draw one line. Okay, and make sure the line should be straight. So delete this line, again go to Insert, Shapes, select the line, and while drawing the line, hold the Shift key so that it comes very straight line. All right, shape outline, you can give some gray color, and maybe you can give some dotted lines to it. Okay, so once this is done, now we need to add the tasks or the projects here. Okay, for that I'm going to add 2 columns table only. So press Ctrl D of this one. So, and then I'm just going to delete this 2 by keeping this 2 columns. I'm deleting. Right mouse click, you can see here delete. I'm just saying columns. Okay, all right, now here the columns, Ctrl Z, put it here. All right, give some gap and then move it here. And this one I'm just going to move it like this. So this is the place where we are going to add the text. All right, so now what's the text you need, so you can just highlight that one. And now what's the font you need, you can just select that particular font. Which color you need, you can choose that color, all those things. So you can put the title here, and below add the detailed text here. All right, so now if you want, you can make it center also. You can go to the layout, you can see here, you can make it in the center also, like this. You can see here, bottom, center, all those things. All right, so now let me just select here, copy and paste. Sometimes what happens, if you paste, some additional line will be added, so don't worry about that one. You can simply delete that part also if you want. You can see here. All right, so once this is done, and if you're using the latest version of PowerPoint, you can go to insert and you can add some icons to it. So you can randomly, you can just select any icon. I'm just selecting some 5 icons or 6 icons rather. You can see here, and click insert, bring to this side, make it as 0.5 only, and you can give some colorful icons or you can just give some gray icons, so it's up to you. I'm just going to put it in the center. You can see here, like this. All right, so you can put some meaningful icons to it. So once this is done, what you can do is, if you want, you can just highlight this one with some different color, the shading. You can see here some light gray color. All right, and then you can add, for this example, this particular task says start from Q2 to Q2 of 2023. So in that case, go to insert, shapes. I'm going to select the rounded corner rectangle, draw the rounded corner rectangle from Q2 to Q2 of 2023. Okay, you can make it, you can see here, you can make it fully curved, reduce the height. Okay, you can see here, and you can give no outline, and then you can give any color of your choice. So suppose this particular task starts from say Q1 to Q4 only, so I'm just going to reduce the, you can see here, the width. Again press Ctrl D, and this will start from Q3 and will end at Q2. So you can do like this, or if it is not, if you don't want like this, what you can do is you can just reduce it so that it will give more meaning. Okay, this will be this one. Hold the Ctrl Shift key and put it like this. All right, so this will give more meaning. If you want to overlap this one, this is also possible. So you can just copy, paste, and now again, whichever color you need, you can just add that particular color. Maybe this is only for 2 months. I'm just going to reduce it. All right, and any color of your choice, you can fill it here. Maybe this one, I'm going to fill this with maybe light blue. You can see here, and this one I would like to fill with orange, maybe like this. So like this, we can just simply make a Gantt chart in PowerPoint.